What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Yo, it's been a hot minute, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. It's been a minute. So I'm gonna get straight. I'm gonna cut straight. Wait. I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. Wait.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Is that right? Are my lips actually? Oh, not again. Hold on. So today, y'all remember the video back a while ago? You know, your boy, we had a salad for the first time. You know, I had the boys with me. You know, we just having a good time, right? Bro, look at this.
Eggs is meat, bro. Oh, actually, no.
What? What?
If you think about it.
Well, we doing that again, all right? Except I ain't eating no salad. So there's this place in Colombia that apparently it got like the hottest chicken sandwiches. And it's hot. I just know it's hot. They got all types of stuff on it. So we just about to go. We about to eat.
I'ma eat it. Ah!
We gonna let y'all know how it is. So I'm about to go scoop them, and then we gonna eat. Cause I'm hungry, bro. I'm mad hungry. Let's see the no brim. Gotta put the no brim up here. Anyway, but yeah. So I'm gonna go scoop them, and then we're gonna get it cracking. All right, let's do it. That was too high. Why was I so excited, bro? Like I'm yelling for no reason. Also, how y'all doing? I didn't even ask. Are y'all doing alright? I hope y'all doing. Oh freak. Part two of the intro. Alright, y'all. We're back. We got the boys with us. We got Zach. We got Alec. Y'all remember for the salad video. Once again, we're gonna recap what we're doing. Zach, you wanna tell them where we're going?
All right, so I found this place, TikTok. It's called Hot Headz Chicken. It's a food truck in downtown Columbia. Yeah, downtown Columbia. And apparently they make a chicken sandwich that's like marinated in ghost pepper, Carolina Reaper, and Trinidad Scorpion. So the three hottest hot sauces that are out right now. The three hottest peppers that are out right now. And the chicken is marinated in that. And so we're gonna eat it. We don't know why. We are.
No,
apparently it tastes good.
I hope it tastes good. My pain, not pain, dang. I'm about to be in pain, dang. My spice tolerance is mad low. I feel like
Alex is low. Yeah,
Alex, his is also low.
It's not even low for real. It's more mid.
I just be telling myself it doesn't hurt.
But it's gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt.
But I just you gotta lie to yourself. Gaslight yourself. It's the first step to success.
The gaslighting.
The self-gaslighting. Self-gaslighting is the first step to success. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We here. Oh my goodness.
Now you got it.
We got the
You need a receipt for yours? Okay, just hold on and give you a pager, okay?
What you thinking, Joanne?
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Bro, she said, oh.
She said, "Are you sure?"
Yeah, bro, she asked us, she was like, "Are you sure you want it hot?" Extra hot, bro. She was like, "We got hot, we got mild, medium." And Zach was like, "Nah, extra hot."
Extra hot.
Your page is number 2. When you page it, you come to...
Not good at all. I feel very confident though.
Okay.
But I know it's not gonna be. it's gonna be a time, but I know that.
Zach, how about you, man? God dang.
I was confident until she said that.
I'm not gonna lie. She said, "Are you sure?" What?
Come again. Yeah, what was it, like 13? Yeah. $13. Comes with fries. They cook it fresh. Right when you order it.
Right when you order.
So that's a plus.
That means the chicken.
What are all the peppers that are on there?
Start with just regular chili peppers as like the base. Then you go with chipotle peppers, then scorpion, then scorpion, then Reaper's the hottest. Carolina Reaper's a lot of Reaper. There's one in the middle. I'm trying to think of the name of it.
Ghost pepper.
Scorpion. Ghost pepper.
Yeah. Cool.
And we get People always think they're getting the hottest of those peppers, but we source from the farm that we know that the Scoville levels are high and it's consistent. That's what most folks don't understand. They think they're getting high. Sometimes they be the lower of the Scoville ratings. This one, it's gonna get you.
Gonna get us. Aye, man.
I tell folks they might want to go ahead and get that flavored milk.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're warming up with the fries right now while we wait for Zach. I got the sliders because they
ran out of chicken.
They ran out of other breasts. So this what we looking like.
Smackable.
But the fries is tough though. Look, I got the Chick-fil-A sauce, you know, leftover John. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is.
They good.
That's a big old piece. Oh my
Dang, bro. Oh, put that junk in the camera. Put that junk in the camera.
Yo, why did you?
Yo, that junk is thick.
Trying to kill me.
That's just a big piece of.
It was at this moment he knew.
Y'all see this guy right here? God damn! This junk, and it smells like death.
So me and Zach got the honey butter, extremely hot.
Honey butter extra hot.
Extra hot. Alec got the Nashville, extra hot. I got the sliders because they ran out of the breast, but it's still the same thing.
Looked like they gave me 2 breasts.
This junk looked like death. I see onions, coleslaw, I think on there, a pickle.
Pickles.
Okay.
Pickle.
So we about to go and hold up. Father, pray. We need to pray for Rigo, bro.
I will pray for me. I believe.
Y'all ready? 3. Wait. Come on, let's try to know I love y'all. I love y'all, boy. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Hey.
So like, it's instant. It's not no.
Okay. No. No.
The junk hit instant, bro.
No. No.
Milk.
No.
I need it.
What you? What's up, man?
Real, don't step there.
Dying. Oh, hold up. Bro, my mouth burning. Yo, my mouth burning. Is this fan on? It is.
That's crazy.
Bro, hold up. Cause like, hold up. Cause like, I can't think, hold up. They're not kind of hurting.
I can't swallow it. It's not letting me. It's not letting me.
That don't hurt.
That's first bite. You're joking.
Okay. But I do gotta say, it tastes good.
It do.
How many bites do you have, bro?
I had one.
You on my tongue?
I had one. There's only one bite.
I got. You had 2?
You got off the spoon. Second bite. Let's go.
All right, 30. I gotta get a pickle in there. Gotta get that pickle in there.
Oh God, throw it.
3, 2, 1.
I'm dying. It tastes good, but I'm dying. Why? Why? No, we still got one sandwich, man. Just this is great. But naked. Hey man. Hey, Hot Headz. Y'all know it was not lying. So my ears.
Yo, ears.
That's crazy.
It's good. It's hot.
Hey, y'all got it. I'm not gonna. Y'all got it, bro.
I told my dad.
Y'all got it, bro. It's actually crazy.
I'm not.
Insane.
Now you pray for me. Anybody praying for me?
I got chills, bro.
Chills.
Is that okay?
I think you think I can just eat it fast and twist it up? No.
You gonna eat that? That means that it's gonna be what you had, but like top 3, yeah. I'm seeing parts that I'm like, I see parts that aren't marinated, and I'm gonna go for those parts.
Go burning, bro.
My head is hot. Help. My head is hot.
Help.
I'm gonna start speaking in tongues, bro.
Okay. Okay.
It hurts to smile.
I'm crying.
It hurts. I feel like I keep going.
Here's some ice cream, bro. Like I feel like my taste buds is like losing, cause like it feels like pins and needles on them.
Oh, I promise I'll never just take you.
Don't understand. God, don't understand.
I'm gonna get in the bath and start shaking. Jeez.
This is what real pain is. This is what Maduro is talking about. Look at my eyes. Look at this man.
A few moments later.
There, let me do this. Alright, family.
Pray for me through the screen.
Y'all, this is my last bite.
We taking this bite together.
I finished the slider. I'm not finishing these other 2. Somebody can have them. Ain't water not good?
I don't care.
Let's go. Go.
I told him not to do it.
Alec, come here, man. Hurry, we gotta end this video, man. I can't take it no more, bro. Overall, what y'all rate? What do y'all rate?
On taste, it's like a 8 for sure. I got the natural though, but like I need to retry it because like the taste, like I got lost in translation too quickly. I don't know. What about you?
Taste is okay. It tastes good. It tastes good. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
I need to feel.
The honey butter was buttering.
I need to feel.
Hotness is hot. Like it's hot to the point where like.
Okay.
Zeros across the board. I'm joking. Hot Headz, good job. I lost.
You win. Go ahead, you win.
I lost.
Good job, man.
Y'all won. Y'all. Y'all, thanks for tuning in. If y'all want to see us do more food challenges.
Hit that like button.
Hit the like button.
Right here.
Subscribe. Follow on our grams. You know. Do it all. But
follow Hot Headz Columbia.
Would that be? Oh yeah. Follow Hot Headz Columbia.
Yeah. Follow Hot Headz.
Check them out. They good. We out, bruh. Zach, you good?